2, 3, 4. All of them.
We're gonna make some very delicious cookies, and I want to tell my mom and dad if I can make a cookie store by using these exact ingredients.
Making some delicious cookies.
Asya, what are we doing here?
Okay, guys. First things first, we add some butter. So we open it. We add it in the bowl. And we throw this away. We bring the bowl. Put it here. And then we take this lid and we put it on the butter. And then put it in here. Set it for 1 minute. Is there one part that's awful? Okay. The second step, we add a bowl of this.
What is that?
I don't know.
You don't know.
I don't know. I'm just
It's brown sugar.
sugar. Brown sugar.
Not the whole entire plate full.
Oh, oops. At least I got it in.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Next,
we're gonna try it.
Muhammad, what's gonna go in next?
what's this?
White sugar.
No, you're gonna do this, okay? And I'm gonna do the other one. We add this bowl. And now, Hamad, can you crack this egg in for me?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Okay, Hamad, can you crack the egg? That's enough. That's enough. It's already leaking out. Yeah. Now put it in the bowl. You got it. Good job. Go rinse your hands. We add this. Who would like to add this? Her mother asked you. Me! Okay. Add it carefully. And Hamad, would you like to add this?
Yeah. Dunkin' time.
I'm gonna put in this flour because it's very big.
We can't dump out the whole entire thing.
We need to.
What? The whole entire thing? Every single
Okay,
bowl
now
has to be empty.
I have to mix it. Ready, guys?
Yeah, where's this glue?
Okay.
Oh, could you also try?
When I get it good,
We could
I'll
try.
let you mix it because I have to mix all the eggs in and the powder and
Isn't it?
everything.
Maya,
what about these? We add those
Because-
after all of this gets mixed. Okay?
And also, if you like cooking videos, we might make more. About maybe we'll make cake. If you maybe subscribe and this gets 100 likes, I'll literally, where's my mom and dad, literally to make a cake video. They do different movement. Has to really get massaged.
Yeah. It's at the spa. It needs a good massage. Maya, I never cleaned my hands again. Wow. We're back. And now it's time for Hamad and then Asya to mix the dough. So Hamad, go on.
I'm like lifting the ball.
Okay.
I have to really get soap.
I really didn't wash my hands. You ready to add the chocolate chips and nuts in? Yeah. Okay. Now it's time to add these delicious chocolate chips we just bought.
And you should always no, but not that quick, Asia.
Good job.
Process.
Yeah, because I
Got.
and it's so dirty. Wash them. They're dirty.
She always squeeze because on my back I love squeezing. So I'm gonna like give it a good massage.
Are you done?
Flip it over. Get the. It always loves a massage.
I'm gonna put a little of this. Now you're gonna make it in there. Then I twist it.
Like, don't you iron finish it between those? Maybe.
I need to rinse my hands.
How is it? Do you like it? Mohammed, you want to try?